Hello everybody, Marcia here. I am back today with another scrapbook process video for my creative scrapbook. Today I am using the July main kit. This gorgeous kit features the Simple Stories Full Bloom collection. This layout is based on the July sketch by Laura Whitaker for my creative scrapbook. I am also using one of the cut files that is included with your kit subscription. This cut file is from PearTree Cut Files. I just backed the cut file with the striped paper from the Simple Stories Full Bloom collection, and I had cut the cut file out from black cardstock. I thought the black would really pop against white background paper. I'm using a mixed media sheet from Vicki Boutin. I followed this sketch very closely. So at the very top I cut a strip of paper about 1.5 inches wide, and then I cut it diagonally again. So this gave me both of the patterns that you see at the top, the floral daisy pattern and that striped pattern again that I used for the title. This sketch has several layers to it, so I selected this rainbow pattern paper, and then to add some contrast to that, the multicolored checkered paper, and then the solid orange pennants. I attached these together before adhering it down to the background so that I could adjust it later where I think it should go. I wanted to pop up my photo, so I'm adding some foam tape to the back, but I'm also cutting off a piece of the chipboard from the chipboard sticker sheet that I can put behind my photo to make it a little bit more sturdy. This helps me save on foam tape. The photo I'm scrapbooking today is one of my daughter. She moved to Denver at the very start of the pandemic in May of 2020. She took her rescue dog, Sue, this beautiful Great Pyrenees, with her when she went. And one of the things that they loved to do was get outside and go hiking in the mountains. I love this picture because her dog looks so happy. 4 months after this photo was taken, she lost this dog to cancer. The rainbow paper that I'm using in the layers here has a double meaning. Yes, they're hiking high up in the mountains where you could see rainbows, but also to signify that she had crossed over the rainbow bridge. With my layers decided, I'm going to go ahead and adhere this down to the background. Then in place of the star that is on the upper left of the photo, I went and substituted the sun and a cloud. This I fussy cut out of a 4x6 journal card. I wanted something bigger than what was in the die cut ephemera pieces, and so using a journal card shape worked really well for me. Next I'm going to adhere my title down, and I am going to pop that up with some foam tape as well, so it's at the same level as my photo. I'm doing this because the bottom of the photo is overlapped by the top of the title. Then I'm going to add some tags on the lower right, and to make it easier to layer these in there, I chopped the bottom half of the tag off and tie some twine into the holes of the tag. Now that the major elements of my layout are there, I'm ready to go crazy with some of the embellishments. I started going through the die cut ephemera pieces and decided that I could use this Happy Summer die cut underneath my cloud, and then there is a banner that says Lovely Day, and I pop these up with some foam tape as well to build some dimension. They're also overlapping the edge of my photo a little bit. I am adding some die cut ephemera clouds to add layers to the clouds I have on here. There is a design rule in scrapbooking that says you can make your scrapbook layout more visually appealing if you create a visual triangle. Right now, I really don't have a visual triangle here. I have the tags and my title down there in the bottom, and then up on the left side of my photo I have this huge cluster. I decided I needed to create another smaller cluster at the top of my photo. I found a sticker, and I didn't like the saying that was on the sticker. I don't even remember what it said. It's just like a tab, a photo tab, and it had some phrase on it about spring, I think. I opted to switch that out, and there's a word phrase on this sticker sheet that says chasing rainbows. And with the rainbow paper and the fact that my daughter had just moved to Denver when this photo was taken, I thought that that phrase was so appropriate and I had to use it. I am putting a chipboard cloud behind that photo tab on the top of my photo. That creates my visual triangle. So I have the tag and the title at the bottom, and I have this huge cluster with the clouds and subtitles of die cut F mirror pieces, and then at the very top I have that photo tab with the chasing rainbows. I'm going to go ahead and finish out my layout by distressing the edges, and I just do this by hand and rip and tear the paper just a little bit and add a few ladybugs. And that's my layout. Thank you so much for stopping by. Be sure to check out all of the kits at My Creative Scrapbook. They have 4 of them. I am using the main kit, which featured the Simple Stories Full Bloom collection. They also have a creative kit, a limited edition kit, and an album kit. Please go check them out. They have something for everyone. Bye-bye now.